ラブじゃないとできるの運命の愛満たしても昨日今日した未来全ての涙を宝石に変えてやるぜマジかマジでマジでさって
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And y'all, I am going to share you about a story that I've just recently encountered. And the story went by with,
Oh my God! What is that majestic thing?
The bicycle crank acts as a pivot when a force is applied on the pedal. It creates a moment or turning effect that rotates the crank and moves the bicycle forward.
You know the bicycle has moment and forces acting on them? Let me give you a quick example. So, a cyclist applies a downward force of 120 Newton on the right while a force F is applied upward on the left pedal to keep the crank in horizontal balance. Each pedal is 0.18 meter from the center of the crank. So here is the question. Calculate the force needed on the left pedal to keep the system in equilibrium. So from the question, it asks us to find the force of pedal to keep the system in equilibrium, which means we can use this equation, which is the summation of anti-clockwise moment equal to the summation of clockwise moment. From this diagram, we can see that the force acting anti-clockwise is F2 and the force moving in clockwise is F1. So from here, we can substitute the value of R and F1. So the value of R is 0.18 meter and the value of F1 is 120 Newton. From here, we can find the value of F2, which is 120 Newton.
How do we, with a small force from our hand, stop a big and fast-moving wheel?
The answer is, we use the concept of moment. A moment of force is a measure of its tendency to cause a body to rotate about its specific point of axis. It equals to the force multiplied by the perpendicular distance from its pivot.
The problem that we are facing is, our hands are strong, but we still require a massive force to stop this moving bike. Fret not as bicycle come along with brake lever. Brake lever is a simple machine designed as a force multiplier. When you grab your brake lever in a panic, you rely on a simple piece of physics called the moment to save you.
This mechanical advantage is the foundation of the stopping power. If the brake cable is frayed or the pivot is seized, the system will fail and we might lose our momentum.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إن هذه تذكرة فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه سبيلا وما تشاءون إلا أن يشاء الله إن الله كان عليما حكيما صدق الله العظيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah gives guidance and freedom for people to choose the path that leads to Him. However, real strength and success in choosing the right path comes only by Allah's will, showing that humans' free will and divine of Allah's will work together in harmony. If we relate with moment, no force, which means no movement. If there's force, we can move the bicycle and eventually arrive to our destination.